Can you explain how to install a sacrificial anode in a salt pool with an auto cover? I want to preserve the rails.
Very simply, as long as the rails have been bonded, that they're attached to the bond wires along with the leading edge bar, the auto cover, I think that putting a sacrificial anode in would simply be a matter of cutting into your plumbing, adding it into the plumbing back at the equipment. As long as you add sacrificial
Louis.
anode that can
Come
be
here, Louis.
bonded to the rest of the grid.
Louis.
So there are sacrificial anodes that's just a piece of zinc inside of a casing, and the water flows through there and it attracts the electrical. The right way to do it though is make sure you have the one that has the grounding or bonding lug on it, and you run a bond wire from that unit down to the rest of the bond to bond the rest of the system. If you don't have bonding to the rails for the auto cover, you don't have bonding to the leading edge bar, no matter any amount of sacrificial anode you put into that system is not going to help. But your best bet is always to put one in line. Sometimes people put them in the base of the skimmer basket to help attract some of that corrosive electricity, but the only right way to do it is to put it in line in the system, bond it into the system, and have your rails and your leading edge bar bonded.